Would you believe me if I told you a simple PDF file could make you over $1,000 online? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how people are using a free tool called Nano Banana to turn simple files into real money, without needing experience, skills, or investment. In this video, I'll break down step by step what Nano Banana is and how it works, how you can create simple files that people want, and how to connect those files to platforms that actually pay you cash. Nano Banana is basically a platform that helps you repurpose content and turn it into easy-to-share PDFs. Think of it like a shortcut. Instead of creating complicated websites or videos, you package information into a PDF, and people are willing to pay for it. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You don't sell these PDFs the traditional way. Instead, you connect them to affiliate products or services. For example, inside your PDF, you can share useful tips and include a link. Every time someone clicks and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. That's how people are making $20, $50, even $100 a day. And it scales fast. The best part? You don't need to spend a dime. Nano Banana is free to use. You can create your first PDF in minutes. Then, upload it to free platforms like Google Drive, social media groups, or file-sharing websites. The more people download your file, the more potential clicks and more commissions for you. As you can see, people are reporting earnings of $1,173 and more. The system works because it's simple. PDF, people, profit. No complicated websites, no advanced tech skills. So, if you've been struggling to make money online, this is one of the easiest methods to get started. Go sign up for Nano Banana, create a simple PDF, and start sharing it. You never know. Your first $100 could be just one file away.